Come along, it's time for fun. Learning, laughing, everyone. Adventures, flying, catch it if you can. Up, up, away with the Airplane Man. Come along, it's time for fun. Learning, laughing, everyone. Adventures, flying, catch it if you can. Up, away with the Airplane Man.
Hello everybody, and welcome to another video of the Airplane Man. And today will be joining me, my son, Mateo. Mateo, say hello.
Hello.
And today we're gonna make something great. We're gonna make a fruit shake. Yes! Here in Thailand, the most famous fruit shake is watermelon shake. But I brought all kind of different fruits. And Mateo, you can choose whatever fruits you want to make your own fruit shake, okay? So let's get started and see what kind of fruits we brought. What is this fruit?
Watermelon.
Watermelon, that's right. What do we have here? What is this fruit?
Pineapple.
Pineapple. I love pineapples. Oh, I know what this is. Cucumbers.
Banana.
Oh, you're right. It's a banana. And what is this strange fruit?
Mango.
Mango. Mango is good for you. And what do we have here? It's so special. Frozen fruits.
Strawberry.
Frozen strawberries and frozen
Blueberries.
blueberries. Wow. So let's go and make our own fruit shakes. I will go first and make my own watermelon shake. Coming right up, all we need is a fruit blender and some ice. Oh, yeah, and almost forgot. We also need some water. So let's go and make our own fruit shakes. So Mateo, let's get started. We're gonna put some water. And of course, we're gonna put some ice. And it's very important to say, using this device required an adult supervision, so you can ask your parents for help. 3, 2, 1, lift off! Wait, stop. Okay, go again. Push the button. Okay. Stop. There's watermelon shake everywhere. I have to clean it. Okay, let's try it. Cheers! So good! Okay, so now after I made my own watermelon shake, now it's time for you to make your own fruit shake. You can choose whatever fruits you want. Put them inside and make your own fruit shake. But before we start, I have to wash my hands. They're so sticky from the watermelon shake. Can you watch all the fruits while I'm gone?
Yes.
Good job. So wait for me, I'll be right back.
I will take some pineapple, some bananas. I have to peel it. Oh, that's better. Yummy, frozen fruits. I want to eat some.
Oh boy! Mateo! What have you done? Did you eat all the frozen fruits? Look at that mess. We have to clean you up. Lucky I brought some more frozen fruits. So Mateo, now we're gonna put all the fruits inside. Stop eating the frozen fruits! I'm gonna get everything away. Come on, put it inside. I'm gonna have to watch him. Yes! Now we're gonna close it. And then we're gonna make a fruit shake. Look at all the fruits we have inside. Here's the pineapple, bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. Sounds delicious. Mateo, push the button. What happened? The button is over there. Okay, go for it, Mateo. Push the button. Go for it. Ah! Wow. Look at that color. Whoa, Mateo, smell it. It smells delicious. I wish you could smell it too. Let's pour some inside. Mateo, how's your shake? Delicious? Alright. Okay, everybody, don't forget to eat and drink your fruits. It's so healthy and it's good for your body. So see you next time on another video of the Airplane Man. Bye bye. Have to go. Woohoo! Don't forget to like and subscribe. And now,
Hey kids,
let's dance with the fruit.